Hello, everyone. I'm back. Today we're going old school. This is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Old-fashioned Southern fruit pies, two ways, apple and peach. Let's get to it. Now, let's do the first step. We're going to make the pie dough. I have in here cold butter, and I have a pastry cutter here. We're going to add the sugar, and we're going to cut the butter into with the sugar and add some flour. This is all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add a little salt. We're going to cut the butter into the flour until it becomes little balls, like big crumbs. Then I'm going to add, I have in this bowl here, some ice water. I'm going to keep working it in until it becomes crumbs, large, big, thick crumbs. You add the water as needed. Okay. It looks like it's resembling a large crumb.
This recipe is very similar to like the Drake's pies that they sell in the supermarket. The same thing, but you're doing it fresh.
Yes, it's not all those chemicals that you would buy.
Yeah, those Drake's pies are filled with all kinds of words you can't even pronounce on the bag and all them chemicals. This way you make it at home yourself is much, much, much better.
Now I have a measuring cup here, and I'm going to add 1 egg to it. I'm going to add some ice water to that. And then I'm going to add some vanilla extract to it. Then we're going to beat it up. Make sure it comes mixed well together. Now we're going to add it to the flour mixture for the pie. Then we're going to mix this up together. Till it forms a ball.
And we could say this is pretty much mostly a budget dish. But this is not really that expensive to make, actually.
No, it isn't. And if it feels too dry, the mixture, you add a little bit more cold water. If it seems so dry. And I'm going to take it out of the bowl and knead it a bit. I've added some flour here to this cutting board. Now we're going to knead it just a few leaves.
Just a reminder, everybody, the ingredients are in the description box below. Also, like, subscribe, share, and comment.
Now, I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator and let it get chilled for about an hour.
So what's next?
I'm making the apple filling. I have a sauce pot here and turning it to medium low. I have some unsalted butter in it, and we're going to use brown sugar, lemon juice, apples, cinnamon, and cornstarch. First, we put the brown sugar, the apples, the lemon juice, the cinnamon. Give this a stir. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes.
Apples is my favorite. Anything apple pie, apple tart, so I should like this.
Let that cook. Now we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. I have the cornstarch here and some water in this measuring cup. We're going to mix it up till it all dissolves. I'm going to open it up. And we're going to pour the cornstarch mixture in there. And we're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, we're going to take it out of the pot and put it in this bowl here. And we're going to let this totally cool. Then we're going to come back and make the peach filling. I have the sauce pot here turned on medium high. We're going to add the sugar, this time granulated sugar. I'm going to add the peaches, the lemon juice, and we're going to cover this up after we stir it up.
I like peach pie also, so this should be good too.
Oh, forgot. Gonna add to this one ginger. Mix this up. Then we're going to let this cook for about 5 minutes also. Now we're going to make a slurry, a cornstarch slurry for this peach filling. We add some cornstarch to the water. We mix it up. Then we add it to the pot. And we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens up. Now let's check it, okay? It's ready to come out. We're going to put this peach filling in this bowl, and we're going to let this chill. The next step is I have a pastry mat here. I put some flour on it, and I remove the dough from the refrigerator. And we're going to roll the dough. I think I will cut it in half. The dough is a little frozen because I had it in the freezer.
Yeah, it's going to take a little bit of work to make that flat.
It'll warm up soon. I have a pizza cutter here to cut off the uneven edges. And I'm going to cut them again down the middle. And into making 4 squares. Now we're going to put some filling in it. We don't want to put it too much in it because it'll be too full and come out the edges. Now we're going to close it up. I use a fork, wet the fork, and use a fork to press the edges down. Gonna do another one. Close this one up. Wet the fork. So we seal in the edges so it don't come out, the filling, when it's fried. Press this down. Now we're going to add the first one to the oil.
These are almost like mini Pop-Tarts,
Well, you could say that.
the way they're shaped.
And we're going to add another one. We're going to do 2 at a time.
Like a more clean and wholesome Pop-Tart without the chemicals.
Now we're going to let this cook till it gets nice and golden brown. Okay, it's ready to come out. I have a plate here lined with paper towels, and I'm going to put it in and let some of the oil soak off. Now we're going to add another one to the pot and let them cook. Now we're going to fill the peaches.
Same process as before, right?
Same as the apple. Now I'm going to add the peach to the oil. I'm going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to make the vanilla glaze. I have powdered sugar here, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. I'm going to add some vanilla extract to it and the heavy cream. Now we're going to mix everything together. I'm using the fork. See, nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add some of the glaze to it.
Wow, that looks good.
See, I have 2 apple and 2 peach. And you can, if you like, you can sprinkle powdered sugar if you don't want glaze. It's all plated up. Enjoy. Here you have it. Old-fashioned Southern fried pies 2 ways. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.